Hey there, everybody. Today I'm going to show you kind of an updated feature in Google Docs. It used to be that if you had a Word document and you had it in your Google Drive, when you opened it with Google Docs, it would automatically convert it to Google Docs format. It no longer does that. So these are some Word documents I've got here. You notice they've got the W Word icon on them. When I double click them, they will open in the Google Drive previewer. And what I can do is click the open with. Now this is the point where when I would say open with Google Docs, it used to open that as a Google Doc and convert it to Google Docs. However, it no longer does that. So what it does now, you'll notice that as it's opening it, I have this big blue block on here that says, if I hover over it, it says Microsoft Word document. So this document is open in Google Docs for editing, for basic editing, but it's still saved as a Word document. If you're going to use this in your Schoology class as a Google Drive assignment, it's not going to work because it's a Word document. So what we need to do now, since this new update in Google Drive, is click on File, Save as Google Docs right here, and then that's going to open the document up as a Google Doc. So it's going to actually convert it to the Google format. That way you can use it in Schoology to attach as a Google Drive assignment. So it's going to take it just a few minutes. And once that's done coming in, this is now a Google Doc. So now I can use the Google Drive assignments in Schoology to assign that to my students, so each student gets a copy of this assignment.